Alright, so today we went and picked up some parts for the Explorer and would have taken the pickup truck, but it had some brake issues still with it, so I didn't feel comfortable driving. So this is what I had to do. Strapped it down, the blanket underneath, of course. So a lot of stairs going down the highway, but no big deal. We got it home.
Perfect.
Alright, so the update basically today, last night I went ahead and sanded this down, primed it, and it's now the next day in the morning. So I'm gonna prep it for paint so we can get it all painted up, dry it up, and then throw it back up on the Explorer. It's not 100% perfect as far as like the bumper, but I got it for a really good deal. Did have like this big old hole, and then there's a big gouge here, but the license plate is going to cover that up. So basically, yeah, just this thing, and I'm not really too concerned about it because the color that it's going to be, it's going to hide most of that anyways. So it's looking good. So let's get it sanded down and ready for paint. It's the finished bumper. I didn't get much filming of painting it or nothing, but it's on there. Not looking too shabby. So the only thing we got left to do is this windshield up here.